We have this existing Toposolid created from the previous tutorial. Open a site plan view and trace the site boundary with model lines. Don't worry about the warnings. Go back to 3D view and we shall see the model lines. We're gonna export this model to CAD format. Select ASIS solids, millimeters and internal origin. Uncheck Export as external reference. Export to CAD. Launch Rhino.Inside.Revit. Open the exported CAD model. We're going to trace the topo limits in Rhino. Create a new layer for topo limits. Trace topo limits with lines. Explode the solid and remove all side and bottom faces. Turn off layers that are not in use and save the CAD file. Launch Grasshopper and open the definition. Turn off the contour line layers that are not in use. Reference boundary lines to Grasshopper. Reference the topo surface to Grasshopper. Reference the topo limit lines to Grasshopper. These components preview the finalized topo in Grasshopper. Let's switch off preview for all components except the ones that preview the finalized topo. Let's flex the level of pad or platform. Hit the play button to push the topo to Revit as Toposolid. We now have two overlapping toposolids here. Select the existing one and set its phase demolished to new construction. Set phase filter to show complete and the existing toposolid would be hidden. With the proposed toposolid selected, we are shown the approximate volume of the cut and fill operation. Now these tracing lines are no longer in use, we can delete them. In the next tutorial, we'll use Dynamo to populate the site with 1,000+ piles.